Welcome, my name is Dorota Trupp. I'm a qualified nutritionist. Today I would like to take you through raw chocolate chia seed pudding. This is a healthy dessert that can also be eaten as a breakfast option. So we will utilize chia seeds. You might notice they are dark in color. The darker the seeds, the better they are for you. They have more antioxidants and obviously they're black. So this is considered a superfood. Chia seeds are extremely nutritious. They are high in iron, zinc, and just about any nutrients you can think of. So we will be mixing chia seeds with some sort of a liquid. I have chosen coconut milk because it's easier for you to digest than dairy milk. So we want to blend it in a blender and let it set for about 45 minutes. So chia seeds are undigestible if you eat them just like that. They need to be blended with some sort of a liquid. Would it be water or would it be milk of some sort? So I have here coconut milk. We're putting it together into blender. Now for this dish, we also will be using nuts to add extra protein, and we will be using raw chocolate. So let's put it all into blender. Raw chocolate is really high in magnesium. Chocolate is also antidepressant, so having it every now and then is really good for you. Now, you can mix this dish with honey if you want to. However, I don't recommend, but if you feel like you want to have an extra taste of honey, you're very welcome to go for it. So just blend it nicely together. You will need to set this pudding for 45 minutes in the fridge before you consume it. So there you go, all the ingredients are blended well. Now you can see it's nice consistency and it will go harder. So at the moment it's very liquid-like, but after giving it some time in a fridge, it will change consistency. So that dish is perfect, okay, to have for breakfast. It is high in proteins and high in antioxidants, vitamin C, and you just name it, lots of vitamins in here because we are adding berries, and let's not forget chia seeds were our superfoods. There you go. Now that is pretty much done, so it doesn't take longer than 5 to 10 minutes to prepare this dish. However, you will have to wait for 45 minutes before you can consume it. There you go. Enjoy it. I can't wait to eat it. Thanks.